All right, so now that I have the face finished, the next step is to go back to the drawing that I made a couple of weeks ago and start to plan out how the construction is going to go, how much wire I actually need, and to just do another run through in my head about what approach I want to take and what order the construction needs to go. And so here's the stone and the face. It's not a terribly clear picture, but I want to have some sort of a halo effect going around with the face. So if you put that there, so that's where the face goes, and then the stone sits there. You know, so it gives you an idea of how that's going to work out. So what I want to do now is take this and transfer it to another sheet of paper and actually sit and really dive deep into how to go about the construction. So what I decided initially was that I wanted to have some prongs holding up here and another semi-prong holding down here. That may or may not affect the face or give the suggestion of a frown here. So we'll see how that works out. So how does that work? That goes around here. Ah. Oh, that's going to be a pain in the ass. Yeah, because what I'm thinking is that one wire starts at the bottom and goes up and around and ends there. Right, so that's part of the body there. And then this one here starts up here, comes down here, down here. That's 2 wire. Oh my god. Oh, so I'm going in 2 different directions. Oh. This is the halo. And halo in the wing's top. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. this line here. Okay, so that goes there. Okay, so this is actually going to end up going through a couple of different. Oh, yeah. All right. Yikes. So now we're going here. Okay, so more or less got it. Now I can start figuring out how much wire I need. All right, what I have now is effectively a cutting plan for each one of the pieces of wire that I need for this. So by my calculation with this, I think I'm going to be able to make this with 4 pieces of wire. So it's in that respect, it's very much like doing a regular cabochon setting, except because of the way that the piece flows over top and creating the arms that surround the belly. That's the reason why I ended up having to do it sort of like Iron Man piecemeal thing. So anyways, what I have is my cutting plan, right? Each one of these is the piece that I need for one part of the Angel.